Hello everybody, this is Dave with Marathon Coach. We're doing some how-to videos, and today's video is about how to put the extra seat cushions and table leaf in an expandable dinette. We happen to have one here on the lot right now. It's being remodeled. I've already taken the sheets off these cushions, but when Marathon does a remodel, they protect all the surfaces as much as possible. They've got protective paper on the tabletop here and on the countertops here. We've got sheets on all the sofas and stuff, and throw rugs on the floors. So anyways, getting to this expandable dinette. I've already taken the cushions out of the bay where they were stored. They're over here on the sofa, and they're in custom pouches for them. For example, here's one of the cushions. We take out of the extra special cover. We reach underneath the dinette seat here, and there's a little Destaco latch down here we pull out, and it allows this seat cushion to slide out. Then we take the extension here, put in place, and it slides in over here against the wall. And then the seat slides in there, and we put the latch back up, and now we have a seat that's pretty well supported even on the end here. We'll do the same thing with the next one. All right. Slide that out. Work that into the slot. Work this in. Put the latch up. And the seat cushions are done. Next, we'll do the table leaf in here. We just pull this out. It's got a latch that keeps it coming out while you're driving. And this is something you want to be a little bit careful with because it's pretty heavy. You can see on the end wall there the dowels that go in here. Just slides in place, and there you have it. Now you've got room for at least 2 adults on each side and maybe 3 kids. So depends on your situation. So you just reverse the process to take everything out and put them back in the pouches, and there's your expandable dinette.